everybody, welcome back to the channel and to the beautiful city of Manila in the Philippines. Today we've traveled north of where I'm staying to Intramuros. Horrible pronunciation, I apologize, but it means within the walls. It's the old walled-in Spanish town here in the Philippines. It's one of the oldest areas here. It was created in 1571. The walled-in area actually covers an area of about 0.68 square kilometers. It was actually mostly destroyed during the Second World War. Japan bombed the hell out of this area and flattened a lot of it, with very few buildings actually remaining. And to this day, they're still actually reconstructing it and doing a pretty good job by the looks of things. Today we're going to start out with the building right here, which is the entranceway into Fort Santiago. Now, Fort Santiago has been around since the beginning, and it's actually been housed by a lot. Obviously, the Spanish in the beginning, and then I'm checking this out, 1590 or 1764, it was actually a Royal Navy fort. And then it was obviously taken over by the Americans in 1898 and became a U.S. Army headquarters. Today, it's just a beautiful historical site, and we're gonna go check it out. Well, that was Fort Santiago, a pretty interesting place. I wasn't able to show you the museum that's on site because it's actually closed today. But going down inside the dungeons, that was a bit of a trip. The entrance to get in there is really small. I was pretty much on hands and knees to get in there, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, definitely some very interesting historical stories to check out here. But now we're going to head off out into the inner city and see what we can find out there. Not entirely sure what we're gonna stumble across, so yeah, let's go wander around.
Everything feels so abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines.
Well, that was our little walk around the old town here in Manila, which is really cool, actually. A very neat little place. You can see that there's a lot of construction going on there, a lot of work being done to repair it and bring it back to its sort of historical glory, I guess you could say. Also really nice to go and see Manila Cathedral. Wasn't expecting to get in there today, which was pretty cool that we did. It's really old. It was actually originally built in 1571, but it's been destroyed 8 times for various reasons, from the Second World War to earthquakes. It's had a pretty tumultuous history. Today, it's the 8th reiteration of the church or cathedral there, and that one was built in, I believe, it was 1958. But don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. And it also has the largest bells out of any church in the Philippines. It's got 7 bells and they weigh in at about 17 tons, which is pretty cool. But now we have walked just outside of the old city walls and quite literally across the street to Rizal Park. It's one of the largest, if not the largest, park here in downtown Manila. It was created in 1820. It's got about 3,500 trees here, which consist of about just over 110, 112 different species of trees. It's home to a variety of gardens, monuments, statues, fountains. Really kind of looking forward to ending today here in the cooler environment. Hoping it'll be pretty chill. Where does the name come from? Rizal Park is part of the Rizal Monument. He was a gentleman who was known as a sort of a propagandist and a traitor to the Spanish Empire, and then was executed right here on these grounds. And he ended up becoming kind of the catalyst to the Filipino Revolution that brought the country back to its native people and got rid of Spanish rule. So yeah, pretty prominent human being, pretty impressive place. Looking forward to go checking out this garden in a much cooler environment because the old city was really, really warm. Let's go look around and see what we can find.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. As long as you will be mine. Everything will be fine. couldn't stay.